are 5 vowels. Ta gela ye sound la talana. What are the sound of vowels tana? Then something la.
A, E, O, A.
No. Yeah, no. Sound of vowel lana. You have to say A, E, O, A. Abakata is sound tone. What is that? Sound of vowels tendalana. You have to say the sound of abakata. Abakata lana abakata tandana jaimba lowercase letter jaimba. When I say the sound of vowel, you have to say abakata sound. Okay? Inda. A, E, O, A.
A, E, O, E,
E, O, A.
E, O, A.
Very good. E, O, A. Okay. Abakata sound la dila khara.
E, O, U. O, U.
E,
I,
the I must E,
O, A.
Very good. E, O, A. A leda manche. Chance manche A leda. So start from A. E, O, A.
O, A.
Okay. Okay, now you have to write down in the book. Kyan temna tish. Abakata chapter 2 lanati vowels lanati 26 letter nane ya letter ngade vowels le lanati. You have to write down this A to Z padhi. You have to circle the vowels, 5 vowels de la circle cheta.
Gela.
La.
Apakata chi kanichi.
Chisaimba.
Ai kanichi apakata.
Abakata tiju chisaim tamdila.
Kanichi di apakata. Gela nga tungi mintu.
Abakata lana dus chu de gila detenda de A la chunga. A inji mi kana de chu mar de A nga so A chunga shingi ba kan de chu me.
My small letter kanichi.
Small letter khandesti. Kyan go nela danga ko cha maskela tamding la.
Kyan kuyu ming di ming. Kanichi.
Small letter the vowels la nethi thangbo kina di thish. Chapter 2 la nethi vowels la nethi. Vowels in pege na la yang la inji na la vowels. What is that?
Gosuso.
Di thish tamola.
Ila ya kundu.
Ya butong menda. Chisan ba di ko chisan ba. Uda.
Yes, Judah. Tadis.
Chisan ba sama.
Design.
Okay, Tisana, dikhara. Tisa jo sama what you have to do kyanzo wala de la khature vowels nga de chugo matish A E I O U cho mara khora chugo chembo chineti chembo vowels
Gela.
la
Model toy mindu.
kharto mindo
Model.
tie okay tish December.
G.
December. Okay. Show me cancel December. Tin si wang mala ya utisha. Okay, de tin si tam tin la ning jung petish. Ama. Inda thangbo pu di them na ning jung petish da. Yeah, we still have 10 minutes ta gela ge dilap. Abakada sound ya question na wall to the number pe lelo. Sound ya machine wall to the lelo chamber. Tanga gela ge cancel sound ya ta cancel ya shinge bekura. Going to teach you two-letter words na letter ni nyam to dune ni yigi sena two-letter words. Kosi sa? Okay, gela ita kenzo ya ku shing de shing me ta inda. Kenzo shin so lemban. I'm going to check if kenzo dashing you na. It's so easy. Yeah, correct.
A. I. O.
You. Now you have to read in apakata sound na Lord. The sound correct. Yes, sound. Sound karelana. You have to read like sound karelana. E. I. O. A. E. Bayam to jindu cha. E. I. O. A. Okay. Two-letter words lana khala godana khesi yigi ni consonant lana haguya consonant lana yigi ni shu chachi tanda wowo ngapi ne ni shu chatu yora ni shu chatu na liya wowo ngapi na yigi khazur has ni chachi khasa 21 yigi delaya consonant ler khala re yeah. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Digela khale re? Consonant. 21 letter thama digela. Consonant letter. Consonants letter. What's that? Okay. Tanga zo khate re? Yigi nisachi de la consonant che. Nisachi ngala yigi nga dezula vowels. Dezula vowels. Vowels. What is that? Okay. Tadi inchi mi semla shower da semla masana. Ani temperature tour. Di wala ya pejeta. Okay. So two-letter words lana ani yigi consonant chik da vowels chik dina yigi ni ta hartingi me ya. What is that? When two letter ni dina with the help of vowels letter with the help of vowels nyamdo la letter chik diwa na ani dra khatu me what is that okay first for example yala ge kyang ge data correct m what in that yes so what you have to say yes S yes sure okay. D whenever you read this sometimes you have to read E sound sometimes you have to read S sound what is that
B
yes B B E B A me B very good sometimes you have to read E sound sometimes you have to read S sound okay here I la sometimes manzo I gi sound low de sometimes manzo E gi sound li manzo E gi sound mangali khajna sound de khatu ne vowel sound ne de apakata sound ne da khatu te moine sound de apakata ka chi duor ko se abcd do mare lower case ka chi duor ko se okay I E okay
It
very good if very good is bell off and this lot off very good
on
very good very good ox very good
no
go so very good up very good us very good okay someone very good ita mata ita it nyamdular yes ita it yes if very good very good it's a simple pula ya but now nganzo gi khati ine letter sudi damba 6 letter le 6 sudi 6 la na word sudi damba yi inchi minchi khara apakata le des vowels yang de kor ine yi khase la yang mene ra 6 so thu kor o dige 6 de khare la na b khara b
Y.
이게 좀
Y.
이게 좀 vowels ribe.
My.
먼저 찍어도 수와이네야. consonant 다 vowel 냠도 데네 찍차고라. In some 이게 카실랑 we don't need vowels 인치미지 고마르. So in special case so sulare b m y dige sumla we don't need vowels kran sum pha so dite tane chikchagor. Okay, first b ear.
Bye.
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 Okay, very good. Yeah.
My.
Very good. dige chikchagdo chamindo. Some we don't need vowels to make us word six inchi minchi vowels commerce. So vowels mango echi khare letter khare lana b m y. So b da ya dona, ba da ya dona, by, ma da ya dona, my. What is that? Very good. Lela do it. Lelor can't stay abakata sound shenadara and pelelor. The can't and the abakata sound shingora and Lelo Witcher. Abakata sound mashanani. The Sama can lo too much. Okay. Taring dams lagura, dams show. Okay, Kela Geti, teams Nakur go, you have to go to the teams and down Kyange Mata and Temna Shua. Okay? Tari Yakush chance Yakushin swam. Okay. Ani Kyansugi Nangle Kadelana, Kyansugi Dicheta. Apakata Dikoni Yakuchin Shimbache, vowels the Yakujang, vowels the Nagila Hacholana Kyans, Apakata Tira. Remote is a sugar you a Hansla, Nangla. Okay, remote is a sugar in a Kyansugi. Apakata A to Z for the tree, and then you have to circle the sound correct. Vowel na yigichura o de la circle thing so the tanisho. Okay?
Also.
So and gela get and the teams na thanda cancel file the kurko. You have to revise in the show. Manzu chimel center na ya sao is changare. So can revise in malina sao the jondu yang kangi tirta. Okay?
Okay.
So Karin Sinta yaku jam so tuna.
Bye.
Bye. Sinta nango. Kya shoba re ni konda re. Konda re anga chito. Okay. Laso Sinta nango ni. Next.
Bye, Samala. Bye. Bye bye, Tanjina. Bye bye, Samala. Samala, bye bye. 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 Nasambat naguida samadusu. Bye. No, escuta. Hello? No.